Hello everyone, welcome to Mirror Button Studio. Today I am sharing a beautiful mirror work embroidery design that is simple, elegant, and easy to make. Many people ask how mirror buttons and mirror work are attached so neatly. So in this video I am showing the process step by step. First, I carefully place the mirrors on the fabric to create a balanced and attractive design. Proper placement is very important because it makes the final result look professional. Now I start attaching the mirrors using simple embroidery stitches. This method is beginner-friendly and can be easily tried at home. You can see how beautifully the mirrors enhance the overall look of the design. Mirror work always adds a unique and stylish touch to embroidery. This design can be used on dresses, dupattas, sleeves, necklines, and stolers to create a beautiful handmade look. If you enjoy embroidery tutorials and creative mirror work ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Mirror Button Studio for more beautiful designs. Thank you for watching. See you in the next embroidery tutorial with another creative handmade design.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name